Today we are going to discuss about how to add drop down list in Excel. For adding drop down list in Excel, we have to go to the data tab, then select data validation, and under data validation go to the settings, and as a default there is any value for all cells selected. So there are these options: whole numbers, decimals, list, date, time, text length, and customs. So for creating data list or creating drop down list, we have to select the list. Then for the list we have to click, there are two options. We can write just directly like yes comma no and say okay. In this case the drop down list is created and only two options, yes and no. But in case if we have to add multiple options and it might change on times, so in this case I have added these cities, and if in case in future I need to add any another city, then in this case every time going to that data tab and editing these values, it's little complicated. And in case if it is single, then it is fine, but if the same drop down list is used at multiple times, so then we need to change that tabs for multiple times. But in case if we are adding through the database, like this is the database and we are adding directly links to the database, in this case it will be easier to adding the data tabs. So just instead of writing yes or no, just click on these arrows, select the list. We can add extra blank spaces if we thinks we are able, we needs to add this. Just press enter and just say okay. In this case if we say instead of yes and no, it will be Pune, Solapur, Surat, like all the list, that all the city names that we have mentioned over here. You can select anyone, and we have added the two blank spaces, so you can add something. So this new city will be popped up. So we will see what are the another options. So this is the list. We have selected the cells as a database, and these are linked to the sources. Then what is input message? So show input message when cell is selected. So we can write as a title that select city, and then select city from drop down list and press okay. Once we select this city, this will be a title, and select city from the drop down list. So if someone new person is working on this sheet, he will know that once he clicked on that cell, he will know that just click, we have to select the city and select city from drop down list. This is the customize message. We can custom as we required in the data validation tab. Okay, then what is error message? Error alert. If someone enters the value beyond this drop down list, so what should do in this style? If we said stop, so it will not take any other values, so it will error. Though what should be the title of error? So you can write entry restricted. This will be the title, and the message should be please select one from drop down, and we have selected it as a stop. So if we enter something different, so it will entry restricted, please enter, please select one from the drop down list. So this is for the stop. If we allowed someone, in case suppose there is one city or some cities that are used, these are the frequently used cities for the data entries, and there are few of the cities that are required rarely, so adding them is not a good practice, or sometimes a single city needs to be added and it's not possible to add, and thus in that case we can set as a warning. So it will be a same warning. It might you can change the title and error message as required, and also it is just like information. It will be just inform that you can set the error message like you have entered the information beyond the drop down list. It can be like that. Let's see for the information. So if I select the wrong value, it